Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to Settings. After that, you will enter to the window of Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of to the window of Teams. Here in this page of App Unfold, we click on First Stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app if you will find here updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us via like and subscribe. See you next time.